Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x80072ee7 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first resolution is to check the internet speed. Open this website fast.com and hit enter and check the internet speed here. The second solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to flush the DNS. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open command prompt. Type the command ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. You'll get a message called successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. The next solution is to use Google's DNS. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the start button and select properties from the menu. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then you'll find this checkbox to obtain DNS server automatically. Check it on the second one. Use the following DNS server address. Type 8.8.8.8 and in the alternative one type 8.8.4.4 and click on OK. The last solution is to manually install updates. So go to this website, Microsoft Update Catalog. You can search for it on Google and then you can go to this website catalog.update.microsoft.com. Type the latest month here. For example, it's June 2024. So type June 2024. But if you don't find anything, then use the previous month, because usually in the early of the month no cumulative update is launched. So for the latest cumulative update, click on download and then click on this MSU file here and then finally click on open. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.